Before you download Cozy, pause for a second, because most people think family organizer apps are just fancy calendars. The surprising truth is that Cozy can completely change how busy households stay organized, but only if it fits your lifestyle. Cozy is a family organization app designed to keep everyone on the same page. It combines shared calendars, shopping lists, to-do lists, and meal planning into one simple app. You won't believe what happens next when every family member can see updates in real time without constant reminders. Setting up Cozy is simple. You create a family account, invite members, and start adding events, appointments, school activities, sports practices, and reminders all appear in one shared calendar. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They forget to turn on notifications. Once notifications are enabled, Cozy becomes a powerful communication tool. The shared shopping list is one of Cozy's most popular features. Anyone can add items, and the list updates instantly. No more duplicate groceries or forgotten essentials. The meal planner also helps families plan weekly meals, which saves time and reduces stress. Cozy offers a free version that works well for most families. There is also a paid version that adds features like a monthly calendar view, more reminders, and a cleaner interface without ads. For large or very busy families, these upgrades can be worth it. However, Cozy is not designed for complex task management or business-level scheduling. If you're looking for advanced productivity tools, this may feel too simple. The surprising truth about Cozy is that simplicity is its biggest strength. It doesn't overwhelm you. It just works. If you found this usage experience helpful, subscribe for more app reviews that make everyday life easier.